Let's make the best, most chocolatey vegan chocolate chip cookies ever. These vegan chocolate chip cookies are so easy to make, and they use all simple ingredients. They're crispy on the outside, but chewy on the inside with lots of melty, ooey gooey chocolate chips. I adapted the base for this recipe from my vegan brown sugar cookies, which are super popular. With just a few tweaks, they are the perfect base for like a Toll House style vegan chocolate chip cookie. Let's make them! Start by adding the dry ingredients to a bowl and mixing them really well. You can also add a little bit of cinnamon to these cookies if you want, but my kid is like adamantly opposed to cinnamon in chocolate chip cookies, so I left it out. Now add all of your wet ingredients to a small bowl and mix those really well too. We're using a flax egg as the egg replacer here, but there's no need to mix it up separately and then add it. You can just add the flax meal and water right to the wet ingredients, and it'll thicken up just fine. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix them really well. Once you have a slightly sticky, cohesive dough, add the chocolate chips. Now I am packing a ton of chocolate chips into these cookies, so it might be tough to get all of the chocolate chips to incorporate into the dough, and that's totally fine. Form the dough into 12 1-inch balls and arrange them on your baking sheet. Then take any leftover chocolate chips that are in the bowl and just kind of stick them on top of any cookies that have like blank spots. Bake the cookies and cool them, and then you're ready to enjoy these super incredible chocolatey chocolate chip cookies. If you want to make these ahead, you can make the dough ahead of time and then refrigerate it in a closed container for up to a day. The finished cookies will also keep in a closed container on the kitchen counter for like 3 to 5 days, but I'm pretty sure they're not going to last that long. At least in my house, they never do. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these vegan chocolate chip cookies. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!